umuntu ongasebenzi ongenzi lutho asimfuna ohlala emakhoneni kujala otsotsi. Sifuna abantu abesemsebenzini nabazothenga ey'tolo. Umuntu nje ohleli nje asimfuni emakhoneni. Siyabopha namhlanje kakhulu. Umuntu ohleli nje ongenzi lutho asimfuni ekhoneni. Sicela indlela ivuleke bahambe kahle abantu. Umuntu othengisayo athengise isitolo sakhe. Endleleni asithengisi.
Ya. La. Ahambeka abahlali. Hayi. Sizoyizama izolunga kancane kancane. Singapheli umoya masowethe. Majobe nizer. Bantu basejobeka singapheli umoya. Izosebenza. Mapheli umoya zihloko. We need to stand together on this one. We need to stand together. In a city, connected and Kinjo, now Mayor, MMC, Missy, about the corner program of rejuvenating the city. But you get sitting out of but I don't see entities that are going to but we believe we cancel assist. Can't do then but we South Africans to support us on this one. Because it's but
No, siyayibonga support especially okubahlali ukuthi ayilendawo soyikhini and babona nabo sayikini but manje challenges nama entity but izodila nayo ukuthi beze la belungise ezinye izinto bayilungise. Sa appreciate umsebenzi weCity Park sifikile nafaka ihlahla but sizoqedela sifake ezinye ihlahla. Siyabonga kakhulu for support.
South Africa we are together siyacela basejobeka nisiphathe kahle nisupporte ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Uthi Mr. Zongo bafuna kushaya moya lapha eTetraden taseJohannesburg CBD bathi kufuneka ukuthi abantu bakhona kuhamba kahle, abantu bakhona kumove. Singasabi khona lesiphithiphithi sekugqwala kwebantu, kugcwala ema-foreigners, kube siminyaminya lapha nababambana inkunzi. Basi bafuna kuvuleke kushaya moya. If utholakala uthengisa ngaphandle bokufaka bozankosi, utholakala uhlele khona nje awuqaqi ukuthi uhlaleleni bokufaka bozankosi. La bathengisako bafuna bathengise ngaphakathi etitolo dabo, hayi ngaphandle. So bayiklina kakhulu leyanzawo njengoba sesibona ukuthi seyihlobile, seyivulekile. They are even planting trees. Actually they've already planted trees because setiplantiwe already. Nyalindo leseshoda bayende labasitshela ukuthi batoyenda ukuthi bafake ama-bench lapha ukuthi abantu batokhona phela kuthi khibekela bathi ahlalele lapha yana kulama bench. Let's hope ngeke kuze kugcine kutholakala kuhlala ama-foreigners akathengisa tizakameva lapha kulama bench. Akuhlale abantu bathi phumulele lapha na batiyele lapha edrobheni, hayi abantu labangadari ukuthi bahlaleleni batosibamba tinkunzi. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.